Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to share YouTube video on WhatsApp. So here's how to share a YouTube video on WhatsApp. So to start, open your browser and go to youtube.com, then sign into your account. Next, find the video that you want to share. So click on it. Now scroll down a bit, then look for the share button. So click share below the video. Once you click share, so right here, you can look for WhatsApp. So for example, it's right here. I'm just gonna click WhatsApp.
Quick one. If you're finding this tutorial helpful, my team and I publish simply and easy to understand step-by-step tutorial daily. And I'd really appreciate if you hit that subscribe button to support our channel and of course so that you'll never miss out when we release videos just like this one every single day. Now let's continue.
So select WhatsApp, then WhatsApp web or WhatsApp desktop app will open. Just click open WhatsApp and choose a contact or group and click the submit button to send it. Click the submit button again to send it, and that's it. Super simple. I hope you find this helpful. Thank you for watching.